Guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're going to be making a lemonade pie. First off, this is the recipe that I had written down many years ago. I'm not really sure if I have everything written on here, but this is what I'm going by. And it's a lemonade pie. So we're going to need cream cheese. We're going to need some country time lemonade, some sugar. We have some milk and some Cool Whip. The only other thing that I do not see on my list is some type of flavoring. So I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract and I'm going to add some lemon zest. So, and also I have a graham cracker crust and I'm using a 9-inch graham cracker crust today. All right, we're going to go ahead and put this pie together. To our bowl, we're going to go ahead and add our 1 block of cream cheese. I'm assuming that it should have been room temperature, but we're going to make this work. To our cream cheese, we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of lemonade. Going to add in our sugar. I'm going to be using my hand mixer to get this mix blended up well together. Let's go ahead and blend this up. Okay, so well blended. Now we're going to slowly add our milk to this mixture. Can you believe our pie is almost ready? And I'm going to taste it. Before we go any farther, I need to taste more lemon. I'm going to put some flavor in there. All right, I'm gonna give this another taste before I add my Cool Whip. Okay, the flavor is coming through. But you know what? I'm gonna veer away from this recipe that I had written down. I'm going to add just a little bit more I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this Country Time lemonade. I have a teaspoon here, and I'm gonna add about 2 more teaspoons. Shouldn't hurt anything, you think? I don't know. I wrote that down a long time ago. So let's see about that. Because I wanted, you said lemonade. I want to taste the lemon. All right. Give it another taste. Ooh. Hey, hey. I think we got it. Now we're just going to add our Cool Whip in. I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla extract to my Cool Whip, just to bring those flavors out. Just a little bit. All right, so we're going to fold this right into that pie. We have our mixture ready for our pie crust. I have always loved the convenience of this little pie crust with the little plastic lid. And for those of you who have not seen a graham cracker crust pre-made, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to add our pie filling. This is our lemonade. This is our Country Time lemonade pie. We're going to let this set for a couple of hours. And when we come back, we're going to be tasting it. Hey guys, it's the next day and our pie has completely set. So we let our pie set overnight. Now we're just going to go ahead and open it up. And cut us a slice. It's completely firm. Let's dress it up first. Now we're going to go ahead and cut us a slice. We're gonna go right in for a taste. That is good. This is very good. Those 2 extra teaspoons of lemonade that I added to the mix put this pie over the top. It is very, very good. I love that. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.